So for today, gagawa tayong makeup tutorial na waterproof and perspiration proof. And we're also going to try out Sunnies Face Cosmetics. I bought this from Glorietta. And now, let's begin. First, I'm going to use this Bio UV Face Milk. It claims to protect your face from harsh and harmful UVA and UV rays with this ultralight yet long-lasting SPF 50 PA++ UV block. Put in the face. Lightweight lang yung texture niya. And nakakaputi siya ng face. Also going to put on the neck. For foundation, I'm going to use Blair Cosmetics and One Cover Foundation. Will give you a lightweight, like second skin foundation lang siya. Yan. Diba? Ang flawless. And then, we're gonna open this Sunnies Face box. Ang binili ko dito is yung Life Brow Defining Skinny Pencil in Ash Brown. Let's try this for my eyebrows. We're going to line the eyebrows. This color shade is just perfect on making a natural look eyebrow. It's not too light, it's not too dark. It's just for a natural looking brow. Also comes with this pulley. So we're going to brush out and blend it upwards. Diba? And then we need 3 types of makeup, so it's going to be waterproof. And we're going to try if it's really waterproof. And I will put in the under eyes. Not going to put so much makeup kasi maliligo naman ako sa swimming pool. Yan. Just blend it out with a beauty blender. Make sure you just blend it out evenly. And then going to use this for contour. I'm going to use Hoola bronzer. It's a Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. Going to use contour brush. First, I'm gonna layer out the upper face. Sa jawline. Down to the we're going to do the same routine on the other side. I don't want to look so pale. I want it like a bronzy look. That's why I'm using a contour. Para mas matagal magstay yung eyebrows, I'm going to use this Body Shop Brow Sculpt 3-in-1 Contouring Brow Pen. Yung eyebrow is I don't know what you call this. Then for blush on, I'm going to use this Triple Pink Magic Cream by Blair Cosmetics. Tignan nyo guys, white siya. Pero magiging pink siya pag nilagay mo siya sa cheeks mo. Diba? Ang natural niya lang, natural looking. Oh my god, kailangan ko i-ayos kasi. Oh, diba? This from the Face Shop, Smooth and Bright Powder Oil Clear Blotting Powder from the Face Shop. Yan, para hindi ako magmukhang oily. Kahit, oo, yes, mababasa yung mukha ko. Yan. And then, to use this bench highlighter. Yung, white lang. Yan. Oh, I'm going to put eyeshadow. I'm going to use ColourPop. I think I Love You eyeshadow palette. So, for this look, I'm going to use this brown shade. In the crease, and then I'm going to use this gold shade. I'm going to put a V-shaped using the brown shade. Okay, and we'll just blend it out. I'm also going to put a gold shimmering shade in the bottom. Okay. So, and then I'm going to use Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. It's also waterproof and it's also waterproof. Right now I have my eyelash extension. I'm just going to use mascara. Also at the bottom, lashes. Okay. And then now we're going to use the lip piece from Sunnies Face. The milkshake and the hot sauce. Okay. Let's open this. Wow! Ang ganda ng packaging niya. Self-made duo. I have the milkshake and the hot sauce. So let's try this out. I think I'm going to use milkshake. Hirap na open na. It has a frosted packaging. Okay, let's try this. Ang ganda. Nude shade lang siya. Diba? Pwede din yung gawin siyang blush on. Let's also try. Let's try this. Cheeks. Dalawa lang. Then blend it out. Ang ganda ng shade. Natural lang siya. Hot sauce. Underneath the milkshake. Just blend it out. Mas maganda siya. Milkshake and hot sauce. Ang ganda. Matte lang yung finish. Silky matte finish velvet lipstick. And I'm done. We'll see you guys later. Try natin kung waterproof talaga yung makeup ko. Okay, bye! Ayan, nakapag-swimming na ako and andun pa rin yung makeup. Yung lipstick madaling matanggal. Pero andun pa rin yung tint niya. Andun pa rin siya kasi creamy yung foundation ko and yung mga nilagay kong products. Kaya I think hindi agad siya natanggal. And I'm done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe on my channel and also give this a thumbs up. And see you on my next video. Bye!